everyone. Welcome back to all of my Carmel stars. How are you all today? Are you fine? Good. Children, we are going to finish our classes and we are coming to the end of the academic year. Then our final examination is coming soon. So study well, start your revision. Okay? Children, what did you learn in the previous class? Have you forgotten that? We learned about India, important days in India. Can you tell me when is our Independence Day? 15th August. When is Indian Republic Day? 26th January. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Then we discussed some festivals, important festivals of India. Can you tell me, name the important festival of Kerala? Onam is the important festival of Kerala. Then which festival is called the Festival of Lights? Deepavali is the festival of lights. Okay. All of you please take your EVS textbook. Children, we have to learn one more page from our textbook. Page number 78. Do you know more about India? Know the nation, India. Oral question answers. We already studied these question answers. All of you listen once again. Which is our country? India is our country. Which is our nation? India is our nation. Name of our nation, India. Next one, national flag of India. Name the three colors of our national flag. Saffron, white, green. Middle there is an Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Then, which is our national flower? Lotus is our national flower. Then, which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. Then, which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Which is our national fruit? Mango is our national fruit. Which is our national tree? Banyan tree is our national tree. All of you study well these question answers. Okay. Now, writing practice. So, please look at the page number 78. These are the important question answers. You have to read the questions and write the answers in sentences within 4 lines. First one, which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. Which is our national flower? You have to write lotus is our national flower. Next one, which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Which is our national fruit? Mango is our national fruit. Which is our national tree? Yes, banyan tree is our national tree. Please write it neatly and send it to your subject teachers. Please look at the next page, page number 79. This is our national flag. You have to study how to draw and color the national flag. Listen. Name the three colors of our national flag. Saffron, white, green. Middle there is an Ashoka Chakra. Okay, children? Please take your English speaking skill to page number 39. GK part 3. These are some oral question answers. Listen. Which is the hottest month? The hottest month is summer. Where do we get wool from? We get wool from sheep. Where do we get popcorn from? We get popcorn from corn. Turn to the next page. Where should we cross the road? We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. What should you wear when you ride a two-wheeler? We should wear a helmet when we ride a two-wheeler. What do the traffic signal lights say? Red says stop, yellow says go slow, green says go. Next, you are traveling by car. What is the important safety measure? We should wear the seat belt when we travel by car. Where do we go when we are sick? We go to the hospital when we are sick. Where does your mom cook food? My mom cooks food in the kitchen. How many numbers are there on the face of a clock? There are 12 numbers on the face of a clock. Children, you should practice these question answers. Okay? Now all of you please take your EVS notebook. Please write these words. You have to learn these words for class test. Then children, all of you do this revision worksheet. Children, we have completed our portions. Prepare well for your examination. Best wishes. Bye bye. See you in the live class.